Welcome back to RogueM4.
That's terrifying.
We had another snow come down. After all that cleaning I did, it came down again. Should be able to open up the truck door this time. Let's clean some of this off here. Hopefully it's not too much. And then, oh yeah, so that came open. A little dark in here because it's covered, but let's get it started, let it run for a while. And I gotta turn all this stuff on. That's on high. Defroster. Okay. Well, see how deep it is. There is a car under there, believe it or not. Try to get the stuff covered. Fingers are a little cold. Anyways, heading to the dump. Got some trash, and then we'll snow blow the driveway again. So we'll see how that goes. Have a TV that kind of stopped working. It just won't turn on by the remote or whatever. But so I was like, you know what? I was gonna throw it away when the TVs are cheap. So I get to the dump, told her I had a flat screen to get thrown away and stuff. She says, what size it is? And I said, I think it's a 50-inch. She says it'll cost $20 to throw it away. It's like, oh my God, I think I'll give it away or something. There's other ways to get rid of a TV. So it's kind of weird. I thought people were trying to do recycling, but apparently not. Now that's what I call snow removal, ice removal. Anyways, I'm getting too old for this. Anyways, that's all I really had. Just wanted to clean out the driveway and get everything done, go to the dump. I kept that TV for now. But anyways, so the work car, I'll have to, maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Work car is still a little buried, so I don't even know if it starts. I took a week off, so anyways, I want to thank you for watching RogueM4. Hope you have a great year. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, share the video if you want. But that's what we're doing in Iowa, is removing snow. Have a great day.